let's bring in some fundamental perspective as well on the market. Choksey, Chairman at Choksey Securities as well joins in. Mr. Choksey, good morning. How would you assess the market mood right now after a very range-bound almost a month? We're now beginning to see some signs of conclusive weakness trickle in for the market. What could snap us out of this range? Or on the other hand, what do you think could add further pressure for the market?
The market at the moment is in the range-bound period, and I think it will remain in the range-bound period because government has to take number of decisions. If they take decisions, then the market will improve. We all know that government has to decide on FDI on retail, FDI in insurance, aviation. Also, there are a number of issues on which government has to take decisions like GAR, and then the GAR, they have to take decision on insurance, telecommunication, and on telecommunication there is a lot of problems. On iron ore issue, they have to take a decision, and also increase in oil prices. So the increase in diesel prices rather. So if the government takes decision, then the market will improve. Government at the moment is in indecision period or indecision mood. If they take the decision, I think the market has to go up.
So, Mr. Choksey, investors who are currently on the sidelines and are sitting on cash, should they use the current decline to their advantage to buy, or they will get better entry points later this year?
I think the investors should decide on the investment on the industry specific and stock specific. They have to select the industry which is doing very well, and in that industry particular stocks. Say at this point of time, FMCG, pharma, certain private sector banks, they are all doing well. So it all depends on the individual companies, because if you look at the market and market trend is not catching up. So one has to take decision on the investment on the basis of the stock, individual stock.
So if you have to pour in your years and years of experience, at the current market juncture, what are your top ideas where you expect a 50% appreciation in next 2 years?
I think basically today in this thing, agriculture industry, there is a stock called Rallis India, which is looking very good for investment, because this company is subsidiary of Tata Chemical. They are in seeds business, they are in organic manure, and they are also in agrochemicals. The developments of the company are extremely good, and I think that in the current year they will be doing very well, and there is a scope of good capital appreciation. Similarly, in the case of Mahindra Finance, there is a scope for good capital appreciation. This company is growing continuously at the rate of 25 to 30%, and looking to the management and the growth that is achieved by the company and the various finances that they are doing, I think there is a good scope for capital appreciation in this company.
So what is your price target for
in banking sector? This Mahindra Finance is between 900 to 1000. The present rate is 685. It has come dividend 14 rupees, and my price target is 900 to 1000.
Mr. Choksey, you track Bajaj Auto and Hero MotoCorp with a magnifying glass. At these levels, is there merit in buying Bajaj Auto or Hero MotoCorp?
I think I will prefer Bajaj Auto for investment rather than Hero Corp, because Bajaj Auto has lined up number of new vehicles for the current year, and also they are banking on the exports. So their business strategy appears to be more aggressive, and I think Bajaj Auto will do well in the current year rather than as compared to Hero Corp.
Do you worry about the rupee-dollar movement. Rupee is now at a fresh 4-month low against the dollar, and it is often believed that currency market is the true indicator of country's economic health.
Yes, basically I am very much worried about the rupee depreciation, because that increases the cost of the industry, and I think also that is not good for the economy as a whole. So I think rupee depreciation is one minus factor for the market.
Which is one stock which you currently are holding from last 10 years and you intend to hold it for another 10 years?
I think we are holding Bajaj Auto, Dr. Reddy, and these are the two stocks we are holding, and I intend to hold it for a longer time.
All right, Mr. Choksey.
They are fundamentally very strong companies, and the prospects are good.
Appreciate your time, Mr. Choksey.
Also the Madras.
Yeah, Madras Cement is the third one, is it?
Thank you. Yes, Madras Cement is third one.
At what price did you buy Madras Cements and Dr. Reddy and Bajaj Auto?
Madras Cement, when it was 10 rupees share, we entered at the price of 300 rupees. So it's a long story, but it has given mega appreciation over a period of time.